Hi ladies and gentlemen. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to activate this campaign. So let me back up for a minute. First, we created a group of people whose first name was John. Next, we created a campaign, and then we told that campaign that we want it sent out to people named John. Once we got into the campaign, we then came in and attached the template we had created in advance to this campaign. So now the template is inside this blue box, and I'm not going to go back and review that. I sent a test email, and now I'm confident we're ready to go. So what is the last step? The last step is activating this campaign so it actually sends out the email. The way you do that is you come up to the right-hand side and you click on Activate. When we click on Activate, this box will open up and it will check your email to make sure all the things that need to be in it. In this case, the key here that I will go into a separate tutorial to talk about is you need to make sure that you have certain aspects of this email set up in advance. And those aspects are: one, you need to have an opt-out link, an unsubscribe link, and also you need to provide your company information in the bottom of that email. So you have to have an unsubscribe link and your company information. And until you put that in, it won't allow you to send this out. This particular template that I had set up already had that, so I didn't have to show you how to do that. But now that we're ready, when I click on Activate Campaign, this campaign will send. It will send an email to all those people in the John group. Now, I'm not going to do that at this point because I don't want to send this. I want to do everything except get to that point. And also, I'm going to show you how to do synchronization of this group. And the synchronization of the group is a way to make sure that if any new people named John are added to that group, they get this email. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.